Hello children, today we are going to discuss factors affecting location of industries. Factors affecting location of industries. Okay children, there are a lot of factors. There are many factors which determine the location of any industries. For example, see, suppose let us discuss it with the help of a diagram. Okay. See children, this is a diagram of industry. Okay, now there are many factors which determine the location of any industry. The most important factor is raw material. Okay, this is the most important factor, followed by land, labor, power, capital, transport, and market. Okay children, so these are the important factors which determines which affect the location of any industry. Let us discuss one by one. Take, we cannot think to set up any industry, we cannot think to establish any industry without raw material. Clear? Raw material play a very important role in establishing in setting up of any industries. Generally all these factors are not available at one place. Okay, generally we do not find all these factors at one place. That's why industries are located on those places, in those areas where one or two or some of the requirements from these factors are fulfilled. Okay, so number one is availability of raw material. It plays availability of raw material. It play a very important role. Raw materials play a very important role in establishing any industries. Then land. Second is land, availability of land. Take, because we need we require big land for different purposes, to set up different units, to make houses, to make offices to make different units for industries. Water is also required for different types of work or processes in industries. Capital means money. Huge money is required to establish any industry. Then raw material, land, water, capital, labor. After land, labor is the most important factor because we need large number of laborers to perform different work in industries. We need both type of labor, skilled labor and unskilled labor, to perform different types of work in a factory. Then market also play a very important role to sell the product which are produced by the industry. We need a place, and this place is known as market, where these materials, where these products are available. And the last one is transport. It also play a very important role in bringing the raw material from the nearby areas, and after the process of production, when the raw materials are converted into finished goods or finished products, these products needs to be sent in the market or to different places. For this we need a good network of transport. So first one is raw material. Without raw material we cannot think to establish any industry. Second, land. We need a big land to establish any industry. Water is also essential. Huge amount of money, labor, both type of labor, skilled labor, unskilled labor, market, and transport. All these play a very important role in the location of industries. Okay children, so these are the important factors on which depend the location of industries. Thank you.